Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to start eating healthy. We all know that a healthy diet is important for our overall well-being, but it can be hard to know where to start. In this video, I'm going to share some practical tips on how to make healthy eating a part of your lifestyle. Tip number 1. Plan your meals. One of the best ways to start eating healthy is to plan your meals in advance. This helps you to avoid unhealthy, impulse decisions when you're hungry and tired. Take some time at the beginning of each week to plan your meals and snacks. Make sure to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Tip number 2. Shop smart. Once you've planned your meals, it's time to hit the grocery store. Shopping smart means choosing fresh, whole foods over processed and packaged ones. Focus on the perimeter of the store, where you'll find fresh produce, meats, and dairy products. And don't forget to read labels carefully. Look for foods that are low in sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Tip number 3. Cook at home. Cooking at home is one of the best things you can do for your health. It allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes in your meals. Plus, it's a fun and creative way to experiment with new flavors and cuisines. Make cooking at home a priority, and you'll be on your way to a healthier lifestyle in no time. Tip number 4. Pack your lunch. Bringing your lunch to work or school is a great way to eat healthy on the go. You'll save money and avoid the temptation of unhealthy fast food options. Pack your lunch the night before, and include a variety of healthy foods like vegetables, fruit, and whole grains. Tip number 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for good health. It helps to keep your body hydrated, flush out toxins, and keep your skin looking great. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day, and try to limit your intake of sugary drinks like soda and juice. Tip number 6. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is all about being present in the moment and fully experiencing your food. This means slowing down, chewing your food thoroughly, and savoring each bite. It also means paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness signals, and stopping eating when you feel satisfied. Tip number 7. Be patient and persistent. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. It's okay to have setbacks and slip-ups along the way. The key is to be patient and persistent. Keep working towards your goals, and don't be too hard on yourself when you make mistakes. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Final thoughts. So there you have it, some practical tips on how to start eating healthy. Remember, it's all about planning, shopping smart, cooking at home, packing your lunch, staying hydrated, practicing mindful eating, and being patient and persistent. I hope these tips have been helpful, and if you have any of your own tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.